And now, back to lunch. We were all clean and dry. And now we're beefaroni face. Beefaroni face. You've had a full day already, haven't you, sweetie? You done? You want to be cleaned off? Hi, Uncle Chris, Aunt Diana. A morning in the life of Madison Renee. Dance those songs. Oh, into the playing with food stage. I think that means we're done. Let me go try to clean this kid up. Bye.